Welcome back, everybody. Once again, I am live in downtown Green Bay, where the peace tree will be lit in about another hour and 10 minutes, something like that, right around 6:20. If you want to come down, you still have plenty of time to get down here and enjoy the evening. It's hard to believe that the holidays are just around the corner with the warm weather we've been seeing for the last several weeks, but pretty soon here it's going to start feeling like the holidays, no doubt about it. Highs tomorrow and Friday will not feel like the holidays. We're going to be looking at temps getting back up into the 60s, but after that, much cooler weather is going to move into northeast Wisconsin. Highs will only be in the 30s to around 40 degrees as we head towards Thanksgiving. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that have dropped back down into the 40s, close to 50 degrees across the area after highs that were in the mid to upper 50s earlier this afternoon. In Green Bay, the temperature now sits at 50 degrees. We have southeast winds at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. In Appleton, we have mostly clear skies. The temperature has dropped into the upper 40s with light winds, but those winds will be picking up later on tonight as a storm starts to organize to our west. Now, we did see a few clouds across the area today, but they did not produce any rain. As you take a look at Storm Shield radar, you can see we dry conditions across the upper Midwest. High pressure, our main weather maker today, but it is pushing off to the east. Behind it, we have our next system that is now developing here. This is going to be the first big storm of the season as we head through tomorrow and Friday. Now, out ahead of it, more warm air is pumping north. Temperatures today getting back up into the 60s and 70s across parts of Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri. And that warm weather is headed our way here for the next couple of days. In fact, tomorrow will be the 21st straight day with above normal high temperatures across the NBC 26 viewing area. I'm forecasting highs to be mainly in the mid 60s, but they will range from the upper 50s near Lake Michigan to the upper 60s west of the Fox Valley. So when you're talking about temperatures running 20 to 25 degrees above normal, you're talking about the possibility of setting record highs or at least tying them. The record high tomorrow is 67 degrees, and it looks like we will be in that ballpark. Now, Skycast shows clear skies initially this evening, then we'll start to see some increasing high clouds throughout the night. Tomorrow, a mixture of clouds and sunshine across the area as that big storm starts to organize to our west. And then watch what it does as we move through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and Friday. It produces a lot of snow across parts of Minnesota up into Ontario. We have winter storm watches and blizzard watches now in effect for Minnesota back into South Dakota. And this is an area where we're going to see a lot of wind and the potential for some hefty snowfall totals as we head through especially Friday afternoon, Friday night into Saturday morning. For us here in northeast Wisconsin, we're not going to see accumulating snow, but we could see our first flakes of the season. Here's a look at your Hunter's forecast for Saturday. Temperatures mainly in the 30s. It's going to be windy, and we'll have that chance for a few snow showers or flurries. So your forecast for tonight does call for increasing clouds. Overnight lows will be right around 40 degrees. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, very warm once again. The normal high is 42. I'm forecasting a high of 65 degrees. That is my 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to a Spiro. We did that today. I forecast 55. The actual high temperature was 56, which means I have now hit 22 3-degree guarantee forecasts in a row. On Friday, as that system gets closer, gusty winds, temperatures in the 60s. We'll have the chance for a couple of showers, turning sharply colder for Saturday and Sunday. A few snow showers or flurries are possible on Saturday. Then we'll warm up a little bit as we head through next week. Our next system, Wednesday, could produce a little bit of light rain or some light snow. So once again, the ceremony actually starts inside the Brown County Courthouse at 6 o'clock, and then everybody's going to come out shortly after that, and then we're going to light the peace tree here. And this really is the beginning of the holiday season here in downtown Green Bay. Of course, Broadway will be lighting the trees on Friday, and then we're going to have the Green Bay Holiday Parade here in just a couple of days. It's hard to believe, Megan.
And we needed some cold weather to make it feel like the holidays.
Oh, we're going to get it. We're going to get that cold weather.
All right, thanks, Cameron.